By popular demand, ShaveTank's back. All right. So yeah, I've been absent for quite some time, as you probably have seen, but I'm back in action. And of course, we are going to do a shave today, but no test or anything. So it's just a welcome back video, or I'm back video. Thanks for all the requests on Facebook that demanded that the ShaveTank should be back in action. Special thanks to my dear friends Douglas, of course, Marty, Ray Pope, and Chapo. Thanks for requesting, and of course Aaron, and several other guys. I'm sorry if I forgot any of you, but my memory isn't that good anymore. So here we go. Today for a little shave, and I'm going to do some of my really favorite products and what is my favorite shaving soap of all time. Of course, it's Malbolge by BAA. So we're going to lather this up. Love it, Malbolge. And we're going to lather this up with the Italian barber Plisson style brush, which I think is really sexy. Didn't do a test on this one because it performs like our other Plisson style brushes, but I find this Italian really sexy and good to hold good in hand. Nice one, nice handle. And we're going to dig into the soap here, and this is really nice. And fully loaded here. So clean up the buck real quick so that we're good to go. Oops. And I'm going to use a bowl because, of course, for a comeback video I need to have a really thick, nice lather with good water amount to have a real slick and nice shave. So we're gonna really work that in. Ah yeah, come on baby. A little bit more water. And here we go. And this is what your lather should look like. You know, this really nice sheeny color, thick and foamy. That's what you're going for. So I wet the face. I left a little bit of a beard here, 4 days of growth, so that we actually have something to shave off. Because some people were trolling around. There is no hair in your face. How can you determine if this is good or bad? Well, I have hair in my face today. Oh, nice thick lather with it. Really good here. This is good. Nice one. This looks good. And of course got something on my shirt, but this is my home shirt, so no problem here. And we're going to use the BAA double open comb. This is the old traditional one, still one of my favorite safety razors. Can't be beat, bang for the buck wise. And also, as you can see, even if you have 4 days growth, cuts through it almost like a straight. Going to change hands so that you can see better. Shaving with the straight razor got me a little bit ambidextrous. So next video I'm planning to do is actually a little bit of a straight razor video, because some people were asking also questions about straight razors, about my Mastro Levy razors, are they worth it, all that stuff. Because of course I said it's worth it after I got them, but people were asking now that 2 years or something have passed, are those razors still worth it? So stay tuned, we're going to answer that in the next video. But today I thought a nice clean double-edged razor video. So, and this was also actually a question I've read a lot. And it's ShaveTank, do you always do 3 passes? And I did 3 passes on most videos. And of course, a little bit of wetting. 3 passes are really good and make for a really smooth shave. But if you know, I'm gonna shave tomorrow again because I love soaps like me. 2 passes, especially if you're a seasoned veteran, should be enough. If you're just starting out, give your face the chance to adjust and do 3 passes that are a little bit milder with a mild razor, and you get probably the same result as a veteran would with 2 passes. So here we go, only 2 passes, and this is against the grain. For all that you forgot, my grain on my chin is running sideways, like my brain sometimes. So, yeah, I should have warmed up my face a little bit more, because it's winter time and I think it's like yeah, -5, 6 out there, which is I think around 0 in Fahrenheit or near to 0. So -5 Celsius here, and the face gets a little bit brittle from that, and I just came in from outside, so should have done a hot towel or something. So I got a little bit of redness down here. But I will show you what you can do if you got this. Because sometimes I'm in a hurry, like I pretend to do now, but I have nothing more to do today. And yeah, so cleaning up the beard that will be left standing. Not rubbing on this, so don't rub yet. But of course it's winter time, so my tap water, which comes straight from the Austrian mountainside, is very cold, and the is a very soft water, because I have a water softener installed. So it's also very good for your skin. And the first thing you should do if you have some irritation is wet your hands in the very cold water. And already soothing. So we'll leave this a little bit and then just touch it up. No rubbing. And you will be fine. You can even do some like this. And it will cool you off, help the skin. Here we go. And now for the finishing touches. We will wet the face a little bit more with the cold water. PAA or Crown King, which is now PAA anyways. Alum block. And you will notice that after you've done this cold water thing, almost no burning sensation from the irritation, which is good. And then we go again. Very, very nice. Love that. And for the finish, of course, we have Malbolge aftershave, which is awesome. Love this stuff. Best scent ever made. That is so nice. There we go. So, this is my comeback. Stay tuned for another video very soon. And I hope you enjoyed this one. Let me know down in the comments. Like and subscribe, because it will help my channel. And yeah, stay tuned. Like me on Facebook. Visit all the Facebook groups. Say hello. I make sure to say hello back. And yeah, thanks for everyone and their support. So, high five, and I'll see you next time.